Welcome to StudyKwik. Today, we convert a speed of 70 meters per second into knots. First, we convert meters per second to kilometers per hour. Multiply 70 by 3600 seconds in an hour to get to 52,000 meters per hour. Next, convert meters per hour to kilometers per hour by dividing to 52,000 by 1000. This equals 252 kilometers per hour. Now convert kilometers per hour to knots. Using the conversion factor where 1 nautical mile equals 1.85 kilometers, we divide 252 kilometers per hour by 1.85. The result is approximately 136.2 knots. Therefore, 70 meters per second is about 136 knots.